Hi everybody, I'm back. Time for pattern-collections.com. We're going to go to Dunz. It's kind of a simple pattern. Come on, load. I'm just at the edge of my Wi-Fi for the house out here in my studio, so sometimes things don't load very well. But this is a kind of a simple pattern. We're aiming for this, like that. And I know it shows it's starting with this shape. It's got it like this, and then like this, and then putting this rice shape like that, and then coloring them in. I think I want to do the rice shape first and then the S shape. I think I will find that easier. I don't know 100%, but I think that's kind of where I'm thinking. Maybe we'll try it in both. This one here actually has 4 of them right there like that. And so I think that's where I'm headed, is something similar to this. I really like that look. So I'm going to stick this over here. I'm going to turn on my light so that we get rid of this funky shadow. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit. Okay, that looks good. I'm just using one of my small squares today. And let's find me my pencil. Where'd my pencil go? Hello, little pencil. I know you're small, but you're still usable. Gotta give him a little sharpening here. Okay. So I'm going to give myself just a bit of a border. Keep myself away from the edge, just like that, and then I'm going to just divide that into 4, just like so. Simple, right? So the step out has us doing, I've moved some things, and for some reason my pencils are not here where they belong. My pens are off to the side instead of where they belong. Let's use an old one. Okay, so I'm going to draw the first one the way the sample shows and see what happens. First one, the way the sample shows, is sort of a lazy S. And then another lazy S going this way. And then the rice shape. And the rice shape. Like that. Or we can do the rice shape first and then the lazy S. I guess it doesn't really matter. You come at it 2 different ways, you end up with the same result. So it really doesn't make any difference. Lazy S, lazy S, and the rice shape, and the rice shape, or the rice shape first, and then the lazy S, And the right shape first. And then the lazy S. Either of those ways works. Depends on you. You decide. Look how easy that was. This is going to be a quick one, which is good because I really needed a quick one, just sort of a warm-up for the day. I've got to, between videos as I draw today, I have to turn on the air conditioner. It's kind of loud to leave it on while I'm drawing, and I'm trying to do all my drawings in the morning while it's cool, because we are expected, it was 101 yesterday, and it's supposed to be 6 degrees warmer today than it was yesterday, so it's going to be in the 110s, 112. It's going to be a scorcher today, and so I want to try to get my drawings done. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I want to try to be done by 10, and I have 3 of them to do. Try to catch up, get a bit ahead. I thought we were going to have time to do some special requests and things, because Nicole is on holiday, but Ina's back and she is just loading us up with things to do. So I still will do my one special request that I want to do, but mostly not. I'm going to color. I'm going to color. I like the idea of coloring this in the 2 different colors, the way that they did their sample. So let's do, we want to color these ones black, half and half here, because that's the actual pattern. Is this one. See if I have my brush pen, because that will be faster to fill this in. This one and this one. Need to be filled in on all of them. I'll just kind of make that thick and then come back with my brush pen to fill it in. But yeah, it's going to be a scorcher today. I didn't get much done yesterday. We went to church. I played with some pattern while I was sitting there, and that was pretty much it. We found some, my husband's been cleaning out the garage. We found some stuff that was too good to really give to the Goodwill, but we don't really need it anymore, so I'm going to try throwing it up on eBay and see if we can't make a little money off of it rather than just throwing away or giving away. I'm going around the edges of this, thickening that up so that when I come back with my brush pen, I know my brush pen is very inaccurate. So I want to get in these corners and around the edges real quick so I don't have to worry about that. Where's my brush pen? Oh, did I throw it away? No, there it is. But see, the tip of it is all frayed. It doesn't make a nice line anymore. But it still has lots of ink in it, so I want to still use it. I just need to be more cautious as to how I use it and not get too close to the edges. if you find a pen that has a really good brush nib, you know, hang on to it. I'm assuming that that is the reason why Copic markers are so darned expensive. It has nothing to do with the ink or the regular chisel nib. It has everything to do with their technology of their brush nib, because professional artists use it every single day, their brush nibs, and they don't splay like these cheap ones do. They stay tight, and that seems to be a technology that is very expensive, because I have yet to find a really good marker set that has brush nibs that stay pointy over time. They almost all seem to fray. Some of them fray sooner than others. This was not. This one frayed really quick. This one is the STA pigment liner, but it came in a set, and the rest of the pens are fine. So, you know, I just deal with it. So there's the basic pattern right there, and now we can follow. I'm going to follow their idea here for coloring in, but I'm gonna go with my own thought process here on color. Oh, that's lighter than I thought. That's not gonna work what I want. I want to go with sort of a 1970s brown, because this sort of avocado color reminds me of that. So I want to go opposite. I go here. See, these are also a brush nib, but they're a water-based ink, a watercolor. And I don't know how long these nibs will last. They may start feathering here in time too, but I haven't used them very much, so right now they're still good. We'll see. We're going to go with this 1970s vibe of brown and avocado, brown and green. Can you even tell it's brown? It's kind of blackish on the screen. And then I think maybe some white highlights. Yeah, in the spots where I don't draw. Don't color. Oop, almost went in the wrong one. Pay attention to what you're doing here, Dono. Okay. And then let's do... Oop, dropping things. Let's do a gray. See what this looks like. Ooh, no, that looks almost black on that paper. You know what? Maybe we could do a different green. Well, that would be good. Okay, let's do that. These water brush pens are a little mushy. Kind of hard to be super accurate. I've gone a little out of the lines, but that's alright. It's just a piece of paper. It's just a thin little piece of artwork. It's no big deal. Like that. That works. It's kind of dull though. So I think I'm going to grab my white pencil and give it a little pizzazz. Sometime this week, painters should be here to paint the house. I'm excited about that. Okay, that's better. It needed a little something something. I feel like it needs a little something something more, but I'm not sure what. So just gonna leave it just like that. I'm gonna put my name on it. That's the wrong pen. This one was D-U-N-Z. Sign that puppy. Turn her around. Zoom in a little bit. Steady the camera so it stops bouncing. I don't want to make you guys seasick. It's a little curvy. Let's flatten that out a little. Awesome. Okay, that worked really well. You guys go out and have a really great day. I am going to turn the air back on, cool off the room a little bit, and then come back and draw the next one, which is Muppety. And yeah, that's going to be it. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.